Hey, hello, my name is Madeline Absher, and we're going to be going through my final educational site that I created this semester. So I did it for my fabulous first graders. This site has everything they need. This is my email. We're going to start with going through my tech blog. So in my tech blog, I discussed copyright, fair use, and permissible amounts. And I discussed using Wiki in the classroom, and I did a brief introduction. My favorite educational technology resources are ClassDojo, Zern, Amplify Reading, and Google Classroom. I use these daily in my own classroom. So this is my blog. Then on my website, we'll go to resources. So in my resource page, I have included resources for pre-K through 3rd grade, and there are a bunch of some of my favorite resources are here. ClassDojo, we use the Library of Congress often for research. Khan Academy for some math kiddos. Then under my teacher's favorites, The Science of Reading. This actually helped me learn how to be a better first grade reading teacher. ClassTools.net, I use that almost daily in my classroom. ClassDojo. And Math Aids to create math worksheets. We'll go through my bio. This is me. I am a first grade teacher. I am currently here pursuing my master's. I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana, not far down the road from Baton Rouge. I actually live in Baton Rouge now. I've known for a very long time that I wanted to be a teacher. It's always been my passion. I started babysitting around 13. You can find me with my dog and my cats, or hanging out with my family in my free time. We spend a lot of time at the dog park, my dog and I, and we love to travel. Disney is one of our favorite travel spots. So here is my PLN and PLE graphics. I discuss the definition of my environment. My environment daily includes GroupMe, Outlook, Drive, YouTube, Google Meet. I use Google Meet daily for my virtual kids, Twitter, Remind, Hoggle. And then this is my PLN, Facebook, email, Zoom, Pinterest for all of the ideas. Here I have my definition of a blog, my definition of curation tools, and my definition of a microblog. I have provided some examples: Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Pinterest. I know I use Pinterest to collect ideas often. And here's some fun blogs that I like to read. I have all my reflections here. This was actually very fun to do this semester because some of my kids in my classroom and we would go through Pinterest and find fun teaching classroom ideas that we could do. Here is my evaluation of GradeCam. I actually did not know GradeCam existed until this course. It is a super cool tool that helps you grade assignments. And you can print answer sheets. It is compatible with iOS, Android, and the web. There's various plans. You can grade different types of assessments: true, false, number grid, rubrics, multiple choice. There's even a place for teachers to add essay questions to the rubric, to the answer sheets. And it is compatible with Google Classroom, Moodle, Canva, and those types of learning platforms. It helps grade quickly. You can score students' responses from photos in the app. Most features, sadly, for GradeCam are only available in the paid version. The app also does log you out quickly, and scanning issues do happen sometimes, so you do have to be careful. My tutorial video. So here is my thematic slideshow. I chose to do it on mammals. Here's my blue whale, my Labrador retriever, my giraffe, my cat, my horse, my cow, humans, llamas, dolphins, elephants. And I use all images from Google Images. Here's my website evaluation. I chose to do my website evaluation on ABCYA. It is a website that the students in my classroom love and beg to play on every single day. So we evaluated it. And the good thing about ABCYA is it is aligned with Common Core standards through the games and the interactive platform. So here's a little bit about it. There's no advertisements on it, which is nice. Overall, my kids love ABCYA. And that's the overalls of ABCYA. Here is my digital story. I did it on the life cycle of a frog, and I don't know why YouTube defaults to this. Here's the life cycle of a frog, and you will see throughout this video, it goes through all the different stages. I'll kind of fast forward it for y'all. Frog eggs, mama frog and mama frog eggs, tadpoles with no legs, tadpoles with 2 legs, tadpoles with 4 legs, froglets, and then ultimately adult frogs. This is what frogs eat. And lastly, it goes into frog environments. This has been an awesome semester with you guys, and this is my final course project. I do plan to create a editable website to use with my parents eventually next school year. I did find that creating a website in Google Sites was very easy and something I'd never done before. And I liked how I was able to put all the information in one place. So I feel my parents could use this with having resources for different lessons and just how to contact me and keeping everything in one easy accessible place for them. So I did like becoming more comfortable with it through that, and no longer am I afraid to build a website like I was before. So yes, I hope the rest of you have a great rest of the semester and an awesome summer.